Hi, welcome to my channel Teach Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a gradient to a cell in Excel. Before that, don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click on the bell button. As you can see, I have a table here. So I want to add gradient color to these cells. So select the cells you want, then do a right click and go to Format Cells. And under Format Cells, go to Fill Effects. Then in Fill Effects, as you can see, you only can do two colors. There are different shade styles, so you could go through the ones you want. So for now I'm going to just do a horizontal. In here, as you can see, my first color is white and second color is blue. So I'm going to pick this shade that I want, but I don't want the whites on the edges. So I want a little bit more darker color on the edge and a little more lighter color on the center. So I'm gonna do a darker color, and in the center I'm just gonna do a little bit more lighter color. Okay, so I could just do this also. So in here, as you can see, okay, darker blending into light. If you want to pick this, then darker blending into light. So I could just put a little bit more lighter. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do darker on the both sides. So I'm gonna pick this and click on OK. As you can see the sample here and click on OK and click somewhere else. So you can see this is how you add gradients to your Excel. Thank you.